Hi, it's Betsy, your friendly nursing librarian. Remember that I am here to help if you have any questions or run into any problems as you're finding information for your public health class. This is the first of 5 short videos that I have for you today, going over resources that will help you find evidence for your evidence-based population intervention. In Nursing 320, if you remember, you learned about evidence-based sources. Remember, we did the ranking exercise where you had to rank different types of evidence from best to worst. We also, during that week, looked at some evidence-based databases in 320. We looked at 3 databases. 2 of them you can still use for your public health assignment. The third, UpToDate, just really won't be helpful just because it has a really clinical focus. But Cochrane and TRIP will both be helpful, and we'll talk about them both. You can also rely on individual studies from CINAHL and Medline and some other databases. As you remember from our ranking in Nursing 320, randomized controlled trials provide the best level of evidence for a single study. But in public health, randomized controlled trials are difficult to do just because of the things you're typically studying. So just try to use the best level of evidence that you can. The other videos that I have for you are broken up by database. I will give you some tips on resources from Cochrane, on the TRIP medical database, on EBSCO databases, and then also the database Scopus.